Understanding ankle stretch, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, ankle stretch. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language, especially when it comes to everyday conversations and fitness contexts. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of ankle stretch. Ankle stretch refers to a physical movement or exercise aimed at stretching the muscles around the ankle joint. It's often used in fitness and physiotherapy contexts. This stretch is beneficial for increasing flexibility, reducing stiffness, and preventing injuries, particularly for athletes or individuals engaged in physical activities. Performing an ankle stretch is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Sit comfortably on the floor or a mat. 2. Extend your legs forward. 3. Gently pull your toes towards your shin, feeling a stretch in your ankle. 4. Hold the position for about 15 to 30 seconds. 5. Repeat on the other ankle. It's important to perform this stretch gently to avoid any strain or injury. The phrase, ankle stretch, is commonly used in fitness and exercise routines, where it's a part of warm-up or cool-down sessions. Physical therapy, for rehabilitation after ankle injuries. Everyday life, when discussing activities that involve leg movement or flexibility. There are several variations of ankle stretches, each targeting different muscles. Some popular ones include seated ankle stretch with a band, standing calf and ankle stretch against a wall, ankle circles to improve mobility. We hope this video helped you understand what an ankle stretch is and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, learning such phrases enhances your English language skills and makes you more confident in various situations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.